Okay, lots of progress. Pretty much just waiting on my harness for my coil on plug and a fuel return line, and it'll pretty much be ready to be sent off for welding. Got everything fitted up. You guys can see the new plenum there. I also ordered some phenolic material. I'm gonna try and make a spacer of my own to help eliminate conduction of heat to the plenum. It'll help a little bit, especially at like initial startup and just normal light driving. We want our IATs to be as low as possible. You can see here I got my lines for my brake booster and whatnot with the one-way valve. Replace this line, and have an inline check valve down there. There's my dual pod setup. I think it looks pretty cool. I'm gonna get this shortened, obviously to fit this. There's my blow-off valve thing. I want this moved, so that's a good time to do it. Probably gonna face it this way, just for more space. Have my IAT bung welded in, since I'm doing speed density. And then once this car's all good and driving, I'm gonna go ahead and tear everything like out again and repaint the bay, because it is black and scratched and you can tell. But for now, I just want to get this thing running. And I also have a drive shaft to go in here, a 2-piece aluminum with a JXB poly bushing. And I also need to get a can gauge and some oil gauges just to be on the safe side and be able to see things. Just gotta order those once I get some money in. If anyone needs some ignition stuff, let me know. Changing these wheels out. Bought back my old 5 Zegan FN01 RCs. These are classic JDM wheels from like the early 2000s. I missed them. These are 18 by 9.5, and these are 18 by 10.5. But I think these look better. And they do clear the 1G VR4 brakes just by like literally this much. So that'll be good. And I'm planning on running like a 255/40 because I missed that meaty fitment I used to have on my SL. And so yeah, I'm gonna try and replicate that. But other than that, yeah, school started for me, so I'm a lot more busy. I'm gonna just try and find my free time to just knock a few things out little by little. I like this. It's a ignition switch. Y'all know what I'm talking about, where it like clicks, no start, stuff like that, because the contacts are worn out. Gotta replace that. I think it's really coming together nicely. It's pretty much how it's gonna look, you know? Just imagine the pipes connected. I mean, I love that twin intake setup. God, it's so cool. And the clear side lenses, bro. Yeah, this thing's gonna be sick.